Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can enable GDPR for your forms in MailChimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your audience right here in MailChimp, and then you just want to click View Contacts. And when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see settings here, right? And you want to click on GDPR fields and settings. And here you want to enable GDPR fields on signup forms. And again, enable GDPR fields. Title, you can edit it. Description, please select all you would like to hear from Marcus Stone or from your website. Now you get marketing preferences, email, direct mail, customize online advertising. You can also add the option and require at least one option to be selected. So someone is going to select only email. And legal text, you can unsubscribe at any time by clicking the link in the footer of our emails and save GDPR settings. So right now when I'm going to add whatever on my site, it will automatically be like this. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and you just click save. And when I go back here, I'll just close this here. Settings, GDPR fields, settings, and we got it. And then you can disable it if you want to. Have a great day and goodbye.